For the amount of spills or releases that industry has are very rare and don't happen very often. So for every single oil and gas company out there to have this type of equipment or this type of expertise on staff just isn't realistic.
It's a really good insurance policy for us. We have quite a bit of our own equipment. However, based on the geographic positioning of the WCSS equipment, it's very complementary to our own. And in some cases, they have certain pieces that we just don't want to carry. And so that having that available to us is quite handy, we find.
So it's nice to have this co-op here. If they do have those 1 in a 100-year releases, that there's someone there to assist.
I think it's really important for us as members of industry to participate and volunteer our time to an organization like WCSS, which is nonprofit. We want to make sure industry is better all the time, and it's made up of industry members.
It's been exciting. I've learned a lot. Always very welcoming to come to these meetings, to go to any of the exercises.
I've done a few trainings with WCSS to this point. I just learn something new the more I see it. So that's the good thing about doing trainings throughout the year, not only just one.
Learning the hands-on, learning the technical names, networking, it's been great.
But also being able to provide some intel on things that we have learned, being able to share experiences among other members of WCSS.
When you've been involved with a group of people like this for this long, it's not really a job or a task to do what you're doing when you like working with everyone around you. So it's good just developing those relationships with everybody. Look forward to getting together with them 2-3 times a year for the training, for meetings or exercises. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't have been here for more than 30 years if it wasn't a good group to be part of.
I think it's really important to be able to find people who are going to take the torch, people who are going to move forward. And we want to keep this going. We don't want it to falter. And it's something that's extremely important, especially now with the environment.
It allows you as an individual, one, to really gain some credibility because you're working with a company that's got the credibility already built, but also being able to network, being able to build relationships with other members is immensely important. So that's why I continue to volunteer for WCSS.
I would say if you have an interest and you are even curious, give it a shot. It is a very warm, welcoming atmosphere. Everybody is here for the same reason, to help out, to learn, to teach. They're not the people that are out there running the equipment. So the more of us that can get out there and learn and help teach others, it's best for everybody.